Hi guys, this is Omar, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to use Microsoft Office WebApps 2010 so that you can always make your projects and reports or any work you need to do as long as you have a computer with internet, and so you can keep working on the go. So first thing you do is go to office.live.com, which I already have pulled up, and you do need either a Hotmail or Live account. So I already have a Live account, so I'm going to assume that you have one too if you're watching. So that wouldn't take long anyway. So sign in, and then you have a couple options you can make. You have your SkyDrive, which is about 50 gigabytes that Windows gives you for free on the internet to store any files you need. So we have a couple of ones we can make. We have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. So I'm going to make a OneNote, a new OneNote project, which is this really handy program Microsoft has, which simulates a notebook in real life, just electronic. So I'm going to say this is my fall 2010 notebook where I've been taking notes for classes, and I can change who can share it with me, but right now I'll just save it as just me. So when I save it, it'll open up in the exact same format as OneNote 2010 does on your computer, but it's on the internet, and so I can do this anywhere through my browser regardless of where I am, and I can open it anywhere else as well. So right now I have my notebook, I have sections and pages just like a real one. So I'm going to rename this section to be like Econ 251, let's say. And then we have a couple pages that take their title from the first line. So I'm going to call this one like GDP. And we can always make a new page too if you want. So this one I'm going to call it GNP. And maybe a note, something I've learned. GNP is not GDP. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we have a notebook, we have a section, a couple pages, we can always add more. But let's say you're done, and so you don't have to save it. OneNote does it automatically for you, which is really cool, so you don't never forget. So we're just going to hit the X button to close out. Now let's say that you're on a different computer, you're back at your dorm, your house, and you finally have this program. You have OneNote on the computer and you want to use the actual OneNote on your computer instead of editing in your browser. Well, in that case, you can still edit in your browser. You can click open in OneNote right away if your browser supports it, or you can always download a copy and then edit from there. So I'm going to download a copy right now, and so it's asking me, it's going to be in a zip, so I'll just save it right now, open it. I can extract it, so I'm going to extract to the same place in a folder. Okay, so here it is, double click it, open the section that I had, and so here's OneNote 2010, and this is, I think, my quick viewer, and it has the sections I've made, the pages I've made, and I can continue editing it, I can save it, do whatever I need to. I can even upload it back onto the live website if I need to. And so that's how you use OneNote on the internet. You could also do the same for Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It's up to you. And I didn't think I'd need this, but one day I did need it, and it was really handy, and I'm glad I knew it, and so I hope you use it too. Thanks guys.